What role do attention mechanisms play in large language models (LLM), and how do they help in filtering out biased or noisy data during training? Answer: large language models (LLM) are sophisticated enough to perform a wide range of language tasks, including language translation, text summarization, and question answering. This is because they are trained on massive datasets that contain a vast amount of information, which enables them to learn complex patterns and relationships between words and phrases. However, these datasets often feature biased or noisy material, which can negatively impact the performance and accuracy of the LLM. This is where attention mechanisms come into play. Attention mechanisms are a type of neural network technique that allows the model to focus on specific parts of the input data that are most relevant to the task at hand. In the context of LLM, attention mechanisms help to filter out biased or noisy data by selectively paying attention to the most important and relevant information. For example, when an LLM is trained on a dataset that contains biased language, the attention mechanism can help to identify and ignore the biased language, allowing the model to learn more accurate and unbiased patterns. This is achieved by assigning a weight to each input token, which represents the importance of that token in the context of the task. The model then uses these weights to calculate the attention scores, which determine the level of attention given to each token. By using attention mechanisms, LLM can learn to focus on the most important and relevant information, even in the presence of biased or noisy data. This helps to improve the performance and accuracy of the model, and enables it to learn more robust and generalizable patterns. In summary, attention mechanisms play a crucial role in LLM by helping to filter out biased or noisy data during training, and enabling the model to learn more accurate and unbiased patterns. This is an important consideration for programmers and researchers who are working with LLM, as it can have a significant impact on the performance and accuracy of the model.